Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jawadul Hassan Shah and today I am going to talk about solar power system. This project is given to us by our respected teacher Sir Faizan Munir. Along with me, I have four other group members whose names are Janzeb Khan, Mohammad Jawad, Asadullah Babar and Ghiyas Adar Qureshi. Before we proceed to our project, three things to be considered to here before starting to solar power system. Number one, solar setup components. Number two, electrical wiring of a solar system. Number three, operation of a solar power system. Let's begin with four solar basic components. Number one, solar charge controller. Solar charge controller is basically a voltage or a current regulator to keep batteries from overcharging. It regulates the voltage and currents coming from the solar panels going toward the battery. Number two, battery. Keep in mind that batteries provide backup power. First thing, if you just have a solar panel system without a battery, you will not have power in the event of an outage or a load shedding. Number 3, solar power inverter. The main purpose of a solar inverter is to translate or invert solar energy generated by our solar panels from DC to AC so that our homes and utility grid can use it. Number 4 is of course solar panel. A solar panel is actually a collection of solar cells which can be used to generate electricity through photovoltaic effect. Behind the solar panel, you can see positive and negative terminals. Now we are going to design a solar system for AC lamp whose ratings are 40 watt. We are using 12 volt 35 ampere hour battery, 250 watt inverter, 9 amps 160 watt solar panel and 10 ampere charge controller. Now let's discuss the circuit or the connection diagram of our solar panel or solar system. The three components solar panel, inverter and battery will be connected with the solar charge controller. Electricity is generated by a solar panel and goes to charge controller, which then charges the battery. Then power from the battery goes back to the charge controller. Then this power goes toward the inverter, which power up AC loads by converting this 12 volt DC to AC 220 volts. Now our solar power system is ready. We have connected according to the circuit diagram that we have discussed earlier. Now we will check it and verify it. First we will check the voltage that are coming from solar panel. These are 13 volts DC. Now the battery voltages are 12 volt DC, and now we will check the voltages 12 volt that are being given to inverter. Now this inverter will convert this 12 volt to 220 or with 10% of tolerance, that are 257 volts. Now we will on the 40 watts DC lamp. That's all from our side. At last we say thank you to our respected audience for being with us, and special thanks to Sir Faizan Munir, Department of Electrical Engineering, Air University, Islamabad.